Hello, welcome to the course titled How to Create Your Own Fitness Routine. I'm going to be your instructor for this course. My name is John Hughes, and this first lesson here, this first slideshow, is just going to be a brief introduction to the course, what we're going to learn about throughout our time together. So first, you're probably wondering, who is your instructor? Well, again, my name is John Hughes. I have a Bachelor of Science in Nutritional Sciences. I was a major in nutrition and fitness. Currently, I'm a master's student in sport pedagogy, which is just the art and science of teaching sport. I'm a certified strength and conditioning specialist through the National Strength and Conditioning Association. I'm a former Division I track and field athlete. I've been an athletic performance coach with a Division I football team. And also currently, as I go through my master's program, I am a Division I volunteer track coach. So what will you learn in this course? We're going to learn quite a few things here. We're going to learn, first and foremost, most important, is how to design your own fitness routine. That's what we want the takeaway to be from this course. To do that, though, you got to understand a lot of small caveats to that. First, you want to define your goals. You've got to determine your training frequency and the exercises you're going to do. We're also going to talk about some basic nutrition, some basics nutrition about losing weight, gaining muscle. You're going to learn about the sets, the repetitions in each set that you're going to do, how much weight you should use on those exercises, and the total volume of exercises that you should be doing. And then we're also going to talk some about supplementation. There's a lot of information out there that is wrong about what supplements work, what supplements do work. Some supplements are harmful, and so we're going to have a lecture also on supplementation. So the course design, it's broken into 8 lectures. Lesson 1 is going to be about initial planning. Lesson 2, exercise selection. 3 is going to be talking about sets, reps, loads, and volume. Lesson 4 is the general building the workout routine. 5, nutrition basics. 6, talking about how to gain weight healthily. 7 is going to be how to lose weight, both talking about nutrition and with our workouts. And then lesson 8 is going to be talking about supplementation. So some of the keys to success to this course. I would recommend you take notes. You can always come back and watch these lectures again, but if you take notes, it's going to be quicker to come back to those key points for you to be able to have those with you. Plus, when you write stuff down, you're more likely to remember it. There's a few handouts. Download the material from the course webpage. Set goals for yourself, and when I'm talking about goals, I mean goals for this course. So set a schedule for taking this course so you can make sure you get through it and learn as much as you can. Set goals for what you want to get from your workout, and then set goals on how often you want to work out, scheduling time for your workout. If you don't schedule time for your workout, you're probably not going to be able to accomplish getting a workout done. You're going to push it to the side, so really set a goal of how many times a week you want to work out and schedule that time in there and make sure you get it done. And last, good luck, and I look forward to working with you as we go through this course.